Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be whipping up a delightful dish, cheesy golden potato delight. Let's dive right in. To begin, peel and dice the potatoes. Sprinkle in salt and black pepper, giving it a good mix. Heat up some oil in a pan, tossing the potatoes and let them sizzle until they achieve a gorgeous golden brown hue. In another dry pan, evenly scatter shredded cheese. Carefully pour the golden potatoes over the cheese and let them dance together over low heat for 8 minutes. Flip them over and let them continue their flavorful tango for an additional 3 minutes. When it's time to plate up, sprinkle some chopped parsley for that extra touch of visual appeal. And there you have it. Cheesy golden potato delight is ready to steal the spotlight. Give this recipe a shot and share your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next one.